do we tell if a girl is gay? Well,
you don't wear a beanie in the summer for no reason, or a baseball tee when it's not baseball season. If you check her nails and they're always trimmed, what case 2 is her style twin. She knows a little bit too much about the L word. She rolls her sleeves up when she's wearing pocket t-shirts, and when she compliments, you just feel confident. You know how she rolls, but you're still not sure. Oh, oh, maybe she's just being nice. Oh, or you can take my advice. Maybe she looks like she'd want a few cats if her closet is full of snapbacks. You like guys, that implies that you're in love, my friend, 'cause she's probably a lesbian. Isn't just her favorite color, it's the warmest. And her low-cut tank top collection is enormous. If platter flannels are her go-to thing, sit back and listen to your gator ping. She walks around just like she owns the place. You mention pride and she can't keep a straight face. Sometimes the haughtiness just makes it obvious, but it doesn't happen every single case. Oh, oh, maybe she's just being nice. Oh, or you can take my advice. Maybe she looks like she'd want a few cats if her closet is full of snapbacks. You like guys, that implies that you're in love, my friend, 'cause she's probably a lesbian. If she does all these things, but she's not out of the closet, then we don't know for sure, but I'm sure gonna call it. Win some or lose some, you roll the dice when you're taking my advice. But if she looks like she'd want a few cats if her closet is full of snapbacks. You like guys, that implies that you're in love, my friend, 'cause she's probably a lesbian. If her purse is also a backpack, she's always watching. Orange is the new black. You like lip sciences, that you're in love, my friend, 'cause she's probably